can see these hulless pumpkin seeded plants coming up in the compost. There's some wild mint, wine cap, king stropharia mushroom, volunteering. They're just emerging. There's more over there. So the pile has been planted with pumpkins all in these little pockets. And this pile used to be probably about 3 times as tall as it is now. It's a little spot in our permaculture orchard where there was space to put the copious compost that we're getting from our duck sanctuary. Here we have probably some bone set coming up right there. Bull thistle. The hay brings with it a lot of the seed. It brings with it also some really great things like lamb's quarter and wild amaranth, pigweed. This wild mint was here. The borage, if this is borage, I'm not sure. Just look at the, yeah. Not borage, sorry. Bone set. And then more stropharia coming up. The bull thistle can be made into an amazing green drink. You can blend the leaves like this, and it tastes like cucumber, slightly better, but. And there's more pumpkins coming up in the pile. I sprout the seeds, and then I brought the sprouted seeds out and put them in, tuck them in these little pockets. So these leaves will hopefully cover the pile. There's more there. Another one there. They're everywhere. So we're letting it age in place and become its own ecosystem. Tons of redworms and snakes live here. And as it decomposes, we start planting in it once it's decomposed enough to support heavy feeders like these pumpkins. And the pumpkins will mulch and cover it. And then we'll come and disturb it and lay it flat more along the ground, kind of spread it out, and then plant in it again. Probably again squashes, heavy feeders with large leaves, and we give the leaves to the ducks. We make leaf protein concentrate out of it. We harvest the pumpkins and we eat the seeds, and we give the flesh to the ducks and our dogs. So it becomes a food source for people, for the animals that live here, the wildlife that live here, including, and then the humans, us and our pets, our dogs. Here's Louie right there. So this is how we manage the compost. And one thing I wanted to say about grass, you see the grass coming up in the compost, and that's usually sort of an enemy of annual vegetable growing, but inside you'll see it has kept the moisture in the pile and allowed these mushrooms, these stropharia mushrooms, which are a choice edible, to emerge. So you always have to question the knowledge we've been given about different plants. It's the grasses that emerge out of rich compost areas that can harbor the correct conditions for the emergence of really nice mushrooms. But this is a pretty sweet spot.